power steering modification. Right now about to go down. Fucking have the fucking saw. Look. I'm just fucking. You get the deal. It's for all the hoes. See? Ooh, look, it's working. Ooh. You already know Isaac mod. She's being gay, bro. Damn, look at this shit. Sheesh. No. The back is not even cut. Fuck. She's a beast. Almost there though. I wonder if I was cutting the floor. Fuck it though. Alright, so I got a new blade and shit's about to be fucking, it's almost there, wait. So I'm gonna just finish it off with the fresh blade. No mames. Fuck. That shit was shaking my whole body weight. Look, finally. Took like 5 minutes of just cutting that shit. Alright, so I fucking finally chopped it. Look, it used to be like this, but straight chopped this shit off. Look. Fucking with this shit, no mames, this shit's a beast. Look, it only took like 5 minutes of me straight cutting it. But honestly, that shit's better. Look, now I can use power steering. I'm gonna go try to put it on right now without this shit. See? Perro. Chafa shit. Alright, then part 2, fucking taking this shit off. It's kind of sad because I got it like probably like 6 months ago, 8 months ago, but fuck it. I'm gonna probably put it on eBay. But fuck it, look. I already unbolted everything. La verga. Fuck. But look. I have so much space now, but look. Fuck this shit. True. Let me know. 2 bills. Double fan, and I wired it to 1 plug, so I just plug it into the stock one and they both turn on. But I'ma low-key take that shit. But oh shit, almost dropped it. Alright, took off the fucking radiator. Now look how kind of empty it looks. But now with the half, lucky, I'm gonna have all of this space right here to work with. Even all of this, look, I can touch my leg, fool. Look at this shit. My hand way, hella space, fool. But yeah, wait, let's get it. Alright, what's up, yos? I have a coil rad right there, but low key, look, fool. Honda knew that you wanted to put a half size, look. Low key right there, but low key just need to move it a little bit more. And right now, look, I'm gonna just cut. See how there's a little bracket right there? I'm gonna cut the one on this side so I can scoot it a little bit more. Watch. Fucking take this shit out. And look, you can see down there. Well, you can't see all there. Right there. I'm gonna cut that shit right now because it's in the way. But look, the hoses low-key fit. It's a little bit bent, but it fits. And you already know I got this shit right here. It's gonna cut it. But coil rad. And look how much space I have. Oh my man, look. Can fucking put my hand outside of the bumper. And I already fucking bolted this shit back on. Look, hella clean with the chop. And everything's tight, everything's good. I'm gonna try to get a video of this shit. Basically, I'm gonna just cut that shit, the little flap. I don't know how I'm gonna record it, but fuck it like this, huh? One shot, G. I'm gonna plug in my saw shit. I'm gonna just cut it full, la neta. Fuck it, dude. Lucky. It was working. But I thought I was gonna hit the traction board, but lucky I'm not. I'm faded. Easy. Straight chopped it. True, I look coil rad right there, but look, just cut that shit off and now it's gonna feel a little bit better. Fuck that one, but low-key I could cut it off too. This shit's beast, honestly, no mama. Right now I cut it again, another chunk, so now look, it's even more flush right now. Hella like, cause right now this part was still on it, like kind of like a little bit, or I don't know, but I trimmed it even more. So now it looks even like if it's not even, it was never there. But now I'm gonna try to put it back on again, cause I had it on, but it was still like a little bit up. So I trimmed up even more. Alright, so right now we're gonna unbox the fucking welder that I bought. Look. True, I got it at fucking Harbor Freight, and this shit low-key came with everything. Cause I thought I was gonna need some extra shit, but nah. Look, has a little extendo plug. Watch, I'll show you that later. Here's a fucking machine. But look, sick ass, look. The TIG torch that it came with, it came with hella like tips. I thought I was only gonna come with one. But, I don't know, but look, cause look, I saw it like that. I thought it was only gonna be one, but look, comes with like hella tips and shit. So here's the fucking gun. And I don't know what the fuck this is. The ground thing. But nah, I'ma fucking just try to set this shit up right now. And it even came with a pedal thing. I don't know how this shit works, but came with a pedal with no mommy. That's just big as fuck. Look. The fuck? In the picture looks small, but it's big. But fuck it, I'm gonna figure it out right now how to use this shit. I have the gas ready for it. So I can fucking start. Choo. Oh, cause look. First I was like, oh fuck, how am I gonna plug in this? Look. Massive ass shit, but it came with the extendo clip, look. So this shit plugs in there and then it's a regular plug. We're chilling with that and I don't know, that shit's beast, fool. I already have my helmet over here and my gloves, look. Have my fucking glove, TIG welding. They're like $10 and I got my fucking helmet, wait. True. Look, so I can be fucking welding that shit, true. Alright, now I'm gonna just try to set it up. Like I'm gonna pick one of these, I don't know which one, but okay, look, the tip is right here, like, ooh, but like has nothing. I'm about to fucking do this shit right now. But fuck it. This shit low-key feels like hella like beast. Like, I don't know, perro. Look, go. Alright, I set up the fucking torch. Look, it's all tight and I have the little stick right there, but I don't know how any of this shit works, but I'm gonna fucking learn how to do it. But look, right now I got the ground shit plugged into this, and I still need to get the gas tank, but it's in the whip. Have the line for the gas, and the little extendo clip, and this shit came with the regulator thingy. I thought I was gonna need it my own for the gas tank, but nah, it came with one, so I'm chilling. Alright, what's up? We're about to fucking start on the welding. Have my welder right here. I got that gas tank today, have it all hooked up, and have the little pedal right there, the gate pedal. And look, I have that shit, I just put it back on right now. And I'm gonna just weld this right here just to hold this shit in place like this. And then I'm gonna have this kind of like right here. And then I'm gonna start building it. But for now, I'm gonna just try to mock this up right here. Drop. Alright, so I was low-key big struggling, look, sick ass welds, no. But right now I already put a box to try to hold this in place because I couldn't fucking do it with, because I needed both, because I was trying to hold this part first and the gun and this, so I couldn't do three, but I'm gonna try to do it like this now. But I don't know, that shit's low-key hard way, no mames. Look, this is what I'm talking about today. Look, this is a little paper I just saw right now on the floor, but look. Sharpen tungsten, look, or whatever that shit is, and then you have to put it inside the little gun. But I never fucking sharpened it, fool. But right now it's so pretty. Right now, look, sharp way, cause I put it in like this, dull, and I was trying to weld like this, fool. But low key, that's why. But right now I sharpened it, look, cause I was like, I don't wanna buy that shit. But low key, I had to. I'm gonna try it again right now tomorrow. Joe. With the fucking tip, the sharp tip. Yep. Alright, it's been like kind of like 2 weeks since I've even done anything, but because the last time I was trying to work on it, I was trying to weld that shit, and like it was okay, like it wasn't sticking, and that shit was just getting me mad because it wasn't working, or I was doing it wrong, because obviously I didn't know what I was doing. But I'm gonna still try again and learn, but that's why I haven't posted. But I'm gonna just post this video, fuck it, because the past clips were kind of filmed a week ago, or not, like 2 weeks ago. But nah, I need to keep fucking working on this shit, but fuck it. It's gonna be sick one day, just trust, one day it's gonna be better.